everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode I will be taking you through a garden tour. As 2018 comes to an end, I feel this is the right time to reminisce about a wonderful year that saw my channel growing from 1000 to 2000 subscribers. However small this milestone, it is indeed awe-inspiring and humbling to know that there are people who encourage gardeners like me to put out an honest gardening experience. So let us start this garden journey with the effervescently glowing Pyrostega venesta and the myriad colors of the bougainvillea. I must add here that the winter this year in Bangalore was not cold at all, barring just 2 days in December due to some cyclonic depression. The other days were unusually warm. If you feel the same about this, then let me know by writing in the comment section. So here you can see my yellow traps, and unfortunately a lizard got trapped in it. But I must say that the yellow traps are super effective in catching fungus gnats, some wasps, houseflies and even some mosquitoes. So this is my succulent corner and they have been doing really great. The best part about them, apart from being really beautiful, is that they do not attract a lot of pests. The succulent fountain with these mini jewels of nature epitomize the saying that size does not matter. This water lettuce serving as a green lotus to the feet of Lord Ganesha. This erstwhile bucket serving now as an abode to these lovely succulents. So here I have actually removed the begonias and instead I have added these royos, and they're doing really well. The white of the kalanchoe resembling the ethereal jasmine adorning a woman's beautiful mane. The aloe vera spreading its tentacles long and wide. These hanging beauties resting during the winters to put up a grand show during the summer months. The royo giving out several pups, living in harmony with the kalanchoe, the epicea and the Plectranthus prostratus. Bryannia nevosa adding the element of snow in this tropical section. So let us now see how the yellow traps have worked on controlling the whiteflies. So I must say that I'm a little disappointed at the yellow traps not really catching a lot of whiteflies, so I would suggest that you use a two-pronged approach in controlling your whiteflies. One is that keep spraying this plant that is infested with the whiteflies with some neem oil pesticides. Additionally, then after that is done, you add your yellow traps. The areca palms with their majestic green foliage. taking umbrage under the shade is the Justicia umbrosa, which has just finished flowering. And one propagation that I'm really proud of is this poinsettia because it looks even more extravagant than its mother plant. So here I'm planning to grow a pineapple plant. However, this is in a very experimental stage and I will let you know if at all I find success on how to grow your own pineapple at home. The hibiscus or the China rose with its enchanting beauty standing tall and high. One great thing about using the yellow trap is that it has not attracted any beneficial insects like the bees or butterflies. However, it has caught some ladybugs and that, my friends, is a bummer. And here I'm growing some onions and some shallots. This is called cherry ulli in Malayalam, chinna vengayam in Tamil and sambar irulli in Kannada. So here we have the garlic vine that I had recently repotted growing so vigorously. And this is the fragrant ginger lily, the aroma of which is scintillating to say the least. The turmeric ixora beaming in the morning sun. And its cousin, the red ixora, trying hard to keep its head held high. So this is a very disappointing plant, which is the Rajnigandha or the tuberosa plant, which has not flowered for the past 2 years. The pentas that bring out the stars during the day. And this is the lone bloomer among the Nerium or the oleander plants that I have. The papery Chinese hat plant. So the rose blooms this winter has been quite abysmal. This is majorly because of the thrip infestation. However, some of them have not shied away from putting up a very good show. Another thing I wanted to tell you was that I do not like repainting my containers because I feel the worn out look of the containers look very good and not tinkering with it makes your garden look more rustic. And here we have the bumper banana crop and it is doing really well. I know that it is very difficult to get a fruit from a banana in a pot. However, I just want to grow this for this beautiful foliage. And you can see it has already given out a pup. No Indian garden is complete without a banana plant. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another year-end garden tour. I hope you have enjoyed this small journey with me and I wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings you more joy, less sadness and many gardening videos from Urbanscape Bangalore. Now I will leave you all with some glimpses of my garden. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if at all you liked this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and also press the subscribe button as well. Until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.